Hey, what's going on, guys? I am Stock Sniper Mike, and I'm back again with another Weekly Watchers video. For those of you guys that don't know, you can find our Weekly Watchers on our app or on our website at www.thestocksnipers.com. So let's dive in. Today I'm going to take you into the app, and that's where we're going to find the watch list today. So if you click into the app, you're going to log in here, and when you log in, you're going to find the watch list tab on the top. When you click on that watch list tab, you'll go and then you'll click on the morning watch list. When you click on that watch list tab, you'll go up to the top and you'll click on that weekly watchers. So you'll see every single watch list in the watch list tab. We do 2 watch lists a day as well as this weekly watchers on Sunday. So when you click on it, you'll see a list of the stocks we are looking at for the upcoming week. So I'm going to go over them briefly, and hopefully you guys can take advantage of one of these moves in the upcoming week. So we always start with our bread and butter, and that's OTC. OTC stocks has made us most of our $229,000 in profit now, and we're not going to stray away from that. But we also started to trade options, so we have brought the larger listed stocks into these watches as well. So you'll see some of those as well. Let's dive into the OTC stocks to start. And the first one we're going to go over is ABML. ABML is a stock that got a very nice run after breaking $1 2 weeks ago and then breaking $1.11 multi-month breakout. It came all the way up to 180s, and now it's creating multiple red days. We're looking for that first green day to happen next week. If it comes down to that 111 area, we'll be looking for it to hold that and then reversal around. This next one is a penny stock that's been falling for about 10 days now. And we say after 3 days, it's a good time to look for that first green day, and that's OTC penny stock DPLS. 4.6 is a key spot for it, and if it can hold that, we're going to be looking for that first green day next week. This next one is a sub-penny stock, and sub-penny stocks have actually been really hot lately. The snipers have made over $1,000 from sub-penny stock the past 2 trades, actually about $1,400. So very nice work there on sub-pennies. And here's another one that we're eyeing down. This is INND. Now this one has been trading with really light volume, but it has multiple red days. We're going to be looking for that first green day, and if it gets that volume, we're most likely going to be playing that day. The next one is an oil-related stock, and oil is a hot sector recently. It has kind of cooled off, but this stock is now creating multi-month highs. If it does continue to go up next week, we're going to be looking for those gap-up green days that it's had in the past there in OTC penny stock ZNOG. The next one is one that we've made money off of in the past. We missed this run-up that just happened here, but now we want to short the downside. It's got 4 straight green days, and if it makes 1 or 2 more green days, we're going to be looking to short it. $1 is a nice resistance spot. 98 cents has got resistance ahead. So those are nice levels that we'll be looking to short into, looking for that first red day play in NWBO. This next one is a large listed stock that's, look at it, it's a clear pump and dump. Going up all the way from 10 all the way to 38, and now coming all the way back down to the 7s on 5 red days. So 10 green days, 5 red days, and all the way back down. We're looking for that bounce green day. We're surprised it hasn't happened yet, so we're most likely going to be looking for it on Monday or Tuesday coming up on the next week. And now we'll get into options, guys. The overall market has got very, very ugly. So we really don't try to play the options every single day. But when we have the volatility that we have recently with the huge red days and the huge green days, that's when we try to jump in the options. And these are the ones that we'll be looking for next week. AMC, as most of you guys know about, the meme stock, has had multiple red day. It's now on 8 straight red days. We're looking for the first green day, and we think it's going to happen next week. We would love for it to come down to the 18 area and then create that first green day. So we'll see if that can happen in the upcoming week. This next one is the cannabis sector leader. So for the cannabis smokers out there, this is the one that you should be watching. When this one runs, all the other cannabis stocks run, and it's on 7 straight red days after the news that just came out with the House passing federal legalization bill and bringing it to the Senate. Who knows what's going to happen in this? I mean, I'm not going to long-term it, but I know the pop is eventually going to come after 7 red days, so be on the lookout for that first green. This next one is a gambling stock, one of my favorite stocks out there, OTC gambling-related stock, DraftKings. It's got multiple red days as well, 4 red days, and now it looks like the first green day is coming soon, so we'll be looking for that Monday. And then these last two here, last but definitely not least, NVIDIA has been coming down from 280 all the way down to the 220s. That's a big drop for a larger stock in just 2 weeks. So we're just going to be looking for that first green day when the market does turn. I bet NVIDIA is going to. But definitely not least, everyone knows about this one. Apple, it made the crazy run all the way bouncing from the 150s all the way now to 175, 180 area. Now it's coming all the way back down to the 170s. We'll be looking forward to make that first green day. Hopefully it makes another red day or 2 red days next week, and then we could snipe that first green day. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed that weekly watcher, and I hope you guys are able to profit on one of those. We'll be here next week with another weekly watchers list. Stock Sniper Mike, out!